Hey guys, it's your boy Marcus for a house tour, hope you like it. So first we have my room where I do my intro. I also sleep here, and do other random junk as well. That pretty much it. Now here's the living room, very nice, and it's all to myself.
What are you doing, dude? Kid, what are you doing?
Watching Netflix and chillin'. So what are you doing? I'm doing a house tour, plus how did you even get in here? Your front door was unlocked. I tried knocking and it opened. So I invited myself in, locked the door, and decided to watch some Netflix. Kid, go home. I can't. Why not? 'Cause I got evicted. Wow, you just made this video sad, like really fast. Wait, what about Juliet? You know she never breaks the fourth wall, she'll just think I'm talking to nobody. Okay. Finally the bathroom, okay, can you please get out? I need to poop. Here's the kitchen, not really interesting, but where else would I get my food? Thanks for watching. It's sad that Kid got evicted, but now we get more of him. Anyway, goodbye.